For Valentine's Day, my mommy and daddy took me to go see Romeo and Juliet, and it was like the best movie ever. I really liked it. Like, my very, very favorite part was when one little gnome said, "Gentlemen, I suggest we put our heads together." Then they all put their heads together and started walking to this side. It was really funny. It was the best movie I ever saw. I really, 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 really like it. It's the best movie ever. And I know you will like it too. Bye.
Hi, I went to Romeo and Juliet. It was a really cool movie. I loved all the parts of it, almost like every part. My very favorite part was seeing that little gnome buying the Terminator on the computer. That was the best part. Oh, it was so funny. Like, cause they had a war. Everybody knows they had a war. So when they had a war, the war was ended by the Terminator. It was really cool. The Terminator went like up in the air, and it hit both the yards. It didn't just hit the yard that the Blue Gnomes were aiming for. It was their yard too. But it all started when a really strong red gnome cut off this very special tree to them into the Blue Gnomes in a toilet. Really, in a toilet. It was really funny. It was like the best movie I've ever saw in my life.